All right, so we are back in our fourth year of the Middle East Chef Excellence Awards. Now, last year was strange. Even we had to do our awards online. We did the awards online. We did both our awards online, and we did not stop. So this shows that COVID can slow us down, but cannot stop us. All we agree? Yes. All right. So these awards, happening today, I really cannot thank the clients and partners and friends who really helped us bringing everything together. And we are standing here after this 13, 14, 15 months of lockdown and difficult times is all because of our friends and supporters. And believe me, when our time comes, we will give back. Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause for all our friends here who supported us? What do I say about the pandemic, right? Everybody has been talking about negative things. Let's talk about a few positives here. The best thing that happened was that we got time with our families. We got time to spend with our families. Though too much, I had to put my kids to sleep at 9 o'clock, tell them not to let me, to give me some time. But that's okay, at least we came across the families, right? Work from home. I did not know work from home happened. I thought people work only in the office. How many of you believe that even today? I believe work happens only in the office. But work from home was given recognition, which is a positive thing. But we did a lot of things in the last 1 year. We relaunched our website with now over 1.1 million members, over 1,500 companies, institutes, courses, suppliers, marketplace, events, and a lot more. Last week we launched our website in Arabic, French, Russian, Spanish, and more languages are coming soon. So basically our site is a multilingual site. And if you have not joined us, please join hospitality.com. Now, we are building the world's largest hospitality community. Right? Now, very important announcement that I would like to do. We have also confirmed, we have not stopped. We have been doing something or the other. Our friends who are connected to us know that we have been doing quite a few other things. We have just confirmed yesterday our partnership with Emaar to bring the Middle East Hospitality Excellence Awards at the Arabian Ranches Golf Club this year in December. Can we have a picture? So it's going to be an outdoor event. We're expecting 300 to 400 delegates. The entire hospitality industry is here. Those who have been here with us, with our Dukes Awards that we did in 2019, they know how grand the awards were. So the nominations will start on 1st of June. Stay connected. They'll happen through our website, hospitality.com. So if you are a member on the website, you would be able to nominate. And everything happens through the website these days. I push my website for everything that we do. So now you would also see on the same slide, there is under the patronage of Office of His Highness Sheikh Ahmed bin Obaid Al Maktoum. So what we've done is, our company has a new sponsor. We come under their office now. Though I own the company, but we come under the patronage of His Highness office. So obviously they'll give us a little leverage in terms of doing different things in Dubai. All right, I have to thank a few people here. You saw my slide for the judges. A big thank you to the judges. First of all, thank you to Dusat Thani Dubai, my friend Pratik, who's not here today. I wanted him to come on stage, but he could not. So I would like to thank him for giving me this venue. It was so difficult to do all these things. When we started in December last year. So from then till now, the long journey, and Pratik has been supporting us. The team from banquets at Dusat Thani Dubai, they arranged this beautiful ballroom. John, my friend here, who's been helping us with all our activities here. Thank you to all our partners, especially Basam, who's here from US Meat Export Federation, and Nina from US Poultry and Egg Export Council. Thank you so much. It would have not been, we would not, big round of applause for them. it was impossible to do this award without your support. These awards are not for business, money. I mean, we don't earn anything. I spend money from my pocket, but I love doing this. So obviously, you know, their support has been. I met Basam I think 3 years back, and ever since we have connected, you know, he's always there. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you to all the young chefs. We did our semi-finals. They have participated. Special thank you to my friend there, Uwe, Andy, and all the Emirates Culinary Guild judges. Big thank you. When we were doing our semi-finals, alright, I tried registering the chefs and he started shouting at me. This is my job, you go away. So I am not even allowed to go there and see what they're doing. They've been handling the entire thing themselves.
Don't mess with the chef.
He's shouting from there. Chef Uwe, love you so much. Thank you very much. Madam Uwe, love you. To Danube Group, Adil, he's not here till now. Shubhajit. Oh, Adil is here. Adil, thank you so much for your support. Danube has been with us since we started our awards. Mr. Rizwan Sajan was really helped. I mean, he's a very old friend and he's a close friend. He's been judged in one of our main awards. So Danube Hospitality, they launched their hospitality division. Great products, very nice. So thank you so much, right? I mean, we will certainly look forward to doing more business with you. Thank you. ZTV Group, Mr. Manoj Matthew is here. My friend, if he is not here, I'm going to really get very upset. But the other team members are here. Thank you so much. Please tell him, thank you, he should be here. I put his name to give an award. Maybe he'll be here later. So Z has been always there for me. Thank you so much to Z. Fuchsia Events, Teddy. This guy, everything here, sound, video, light, stage, LED. This beautiful carpet is done by him. This mic is by him. Thank you so much. Any production that you would like to do, especially events, Teddy is the right guy. He's amazing, right? To our partners, ICC at Dubai. Sanjay is here. Sanjay, thank you so much. Sanjay has been giving $11,000 worth certificate course to the winner of the Young Chef today. Right, so big round of applause for ICC. ICC has been a strong pillar for us. And he has changed lives. I know some people who got the certificate. There's one who got a visa in Germany. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Right? We are looking forward to doing more things. Big thank you to Restofair Rack and Rack Porcelain. Now, these trophies that you are getting today, or the trophies that are designed for us, especially for the awards in November, are all done by them. So I met Rafael the other day, very close friend. Ever since we started, he was the one who said, yeah, fine. So I have announced the awards for November now, December now, and the trophies are already fine. I mean, I don't even have to ask him. ZTV is fine, ICC is fine, all these partners are already fine. Basam said he will help me. Right, thank you so much.
He will.
He will. Big round of applause again, please. Okay. Now, if I don't thank my wife, Vandana,
You will not be home. You will not sleep at home.
I have to go back to Canada. She's in Canada right now. She's missing us. She will be here. She promised she will be here in December. She'll see this video. Told them to make mine especially. Please highlight on this thing. She has been my pillar. Jokes apart. I mean, she's really helped. She has sent her love to all of you. So please, big round of applause for my wife Amina. And let our celebrations begin. So I would like to invite Laura Buckwell, our permanent hostess, MC for the event. And sorry, my mistake. MC for the event, presenter for the event. And Laura has been there since, I think 2014 is when we connected. We did our TV shows, the Hospitality Buzz. She was our presenter there with me. Though I could not speak like her, so I did different things. So Laura, please take over the stage and all yours. Yeah.